We all have our passions, and having the opportunity to pursue them is precisely why we created Audi Care. Audi Care is a prepaid maintenance plan that helps give you the confidence that not only will your Audi be taken care of by the people that know your Audi best, but that your regular maintenance can already be covered. Audi Care can also protect you from inflation, helps ensure proper service gets done, and that your vehicle will be worked on by Audi-trained technicians who use factory procedures, specialized tools, and Audi genuine parts. In addition, you may be able to add it to the cost of your monthly payment. Set it up and you don't have to worry about it again for the life of the contract. Simply make an appointment at any of our authorized dealers, drive in, and experience the confidence of knowing that no one knows your Audi better. So bike for an incredible view. Make your plans to pull anchor and set sail. Or just head to that job you love, knowing that Audi Care and your Audi service team can help get you where you need to go.